This video is on the chapter Haloalkanes and Haloarenes, class 12. As we have seen in the last video that there is the chemical properties of haloalkanes which involves the nucleophilic substitution reaction. In the last video we have also seen some introductory idea about the nucleophilic substitution reaction. Now in this video we are going to explain in details the mechanism and the types of nucleophilic substitution reaction. So as we have already explained, the substitution of halogen will be done by some nucleophile, and so this is called nucleophilic substitution reaction. For our syllabus we have SN2 reaction and SN1 reaction. SN2, what does it mean? S for substitution, N for nucleophilic, and the word number 2 means bimolecular. That means the mechanism will follow the path in which the rate determining step will have the molecularity 2. We have all learnt in chemical kinetics chapter about the molecularity and the rate determining step. So the substitution nucleophilic bimolecular reaction is called as SN2. You have to see the writing process also in case of SN2. All will be capital and there will be N in subscript of S. So if we take methyl chloride as the reactant and OH minus, which is coming from any base like NaOH, will be the nucleophile in this case, and the product will be the alcohol methanol. So we can see that the chlorine has been replaced or substituted by the OH group. So it is nucleophilic substitution. But why SN2 or bimolecular? We have to understand that by the mechanism. So let us see the mechanism. In case of this reaction, the OH minus or the nucleophile will attack over the methyl group from back side and the chlorine will leave from the front side. So the OH bond, so the OH nucleophile and methyl will form the bond and we have the product. This is actually a single step reaction or concerted reaction. Single step reaction are often termed as concerted reaction. So the rate of this reaction will be equal to the rate constant, concentration of the reagent or the alkyl halide, and the nucleophile concentration. So in this rate equation we can see that the rate is dependent on the concentration of both the alkyl halide and the nucleophile. So there are two species involved in the step of the reaction, which is rate determining step here, and it is also a single step reaction. So this step is only the rate determining step. So here the two or both species are involved, so it will be known as bimolecular reaction, and the name is also given for that, SN2. Now let us see in details. This OH minus is called incoming nucleophile, which is attacking the carbon of the alkyl halide where the halogen is attached. If there are two or more carbons, the attack will be on the carbon which is having the halogen only. So OH minus will attack the alkyl halide where the halogen is attached and the halogen will leave. This is the transition state of the reaction where we can see that the OH minus has not completely formed the bond and the chlorine has not completely removed. So here the charge of OH minus will be delta minus and the bond will be just forming. So I have written it like dotted bond, and the chlorine is departing, so it is have also the delta minus charge. So here the bond is also breaking, so it is also been written as dotted bond. And for this carbon and the 3 hydrogen, we already know that for a chiral carbon there will be 3 group, and the groups are not in the plane. One is above the plane, another is below the plane, and the third one is in the plane. So we have seen this one. So this is the transition state, and after that transition state the product will be formed, where the OH has formed the bond with the carbon and the chlorine Cl minus has left the bond and it has been called as leaving group. So this is the mechanism of SN2 reaction. For SN2 reaction, we have to remember one term always, that is backside attack. So the nucleophile will attack the carbon where the halogen is attached from the backside. So as much possible or as much preferable the backside attack, there will be also the chance of SN2 reaction. So जितने अच्छे से बैकसाइड अटैक हो पाएगा, कोई एक न्यूक्लियोफाइल जितना अच्छे से बैकसाइड अटैक कर पाएगा उतना अच्छा होगा SN2 रिएक्शन का रेट. In this reaction we also see another stereochemistry which is related with the configuration of the molecule. If the carbon atom where the halogen is connected is chiral carbon, what does the word chiral means? Chiral means if the carbon is having 4 different groups or it is asymmetric carbon. We will again discuss this chirality and optical rotation and optical activity in another video. So here if the carbon is chiral, that means it is having 4 different groups, then the backside attack of OH minus will give us the product which will have the opposite configuration than the starting alkyl halide. So here the SN2 reaction involves the inversion of configuration. If the configuration is here positive or some term, then it will be inverted in case of this product. So we can write this formula in Fischer projection. Actually this is the flying wedge projection and this is the Fischer projection. If we write this Fischer projection, then we can see that the reactant and the product are the mirror image. If we put a mirror in front of the reactant, then we can have the product, and where the bromine has been substituted by OH, and these two mirror image are non-superimposable. That means if we try to take this molecule and put on this, then we can see that these groups are not matching. So this means they are non-superimposable mirror image, and this is the result of inversion of configuration. Inversion of configuration होता है, इसीलिए रिएक्टेंट का जो स्ट्रक्चर था, जैसा स्पेशियल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन था चारों ग्रुप्स का, उससे उल्टा है यहाँ पे प्रोडक्ट में, और इसीलिए हमें यहाँ पे मिरर इमेज मिला है जो नॉन सुपर इम्पोजेबल है. So the stereochemistry which is related to SN2 reaction is that there will be inversion of configuration. If we see another example, we can see that here also this carbon is chiral because the 4 groups or atoms are different attached in this carbon. So if OH minus is attacking over here and the chlorine is leaving, then we can have this product. I have written the 2 molecules in the Fischer projection, and we can see that this molecule and this molecule are not the same molecule. So we have seen that there is configuration is different and the spatial arrangement of the groups are different also. So this is the result of SN2 reaction, which occurs through the inversion of configuration. For more details on this topic, inversion of configuration, we have to follow the another video which will be on the chirality, optical rotation, optical activity, and we will discuss in later.